Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are here again back with the most demanded and requested collection of fancy soft silk sarees. All these sarees are soft in nature, light in weight and easy to carry. Beautiful and unique woven buttas are there running throughout the body, along with running or contrast rich pallu and plain blouse. Here, copper, silver and golden sarees were used for weaving, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. Please avoid making direct calls to share your queries to the given WhatsApp number. And please note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to your account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And this is the fastest moving collection of ours, and the stocks are getting finishing very quickly after posting. So grab your order soon. And also, if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate WhatsApp groups for fancy silk sarees and cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. All these links be there in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.